Hello, my name is Ala Shoaib. I'm a student at Brunel University. I want to share with you my favorite website as a student now and a future teacher soon. IXL, it's a great learning program. It got learning for math, social studies, language arts, science, and Spanish. You go to any subject you want and you will find many grades. For me, I will choose fourth grade. You got 233 skills, 22 games, and let's go for the main idea. You can go to the main idea. You can choose anything you want. It will tell you what you need and everything. I really hope that you check this website. It's a great website for you as a teacher, for your students. It got many information, many skills, and many games, and plans ready for you. There's topics, weekly plans, skill plans, and that's a great, great website. Thank you.